Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fried chicken wings. Start by patting wings dry and trimming excess skin so they brown evenly. Marinate briefly in soy, garlic, and a touch of honey for balanced flavor. Heat a wok until smoking hot and add oil, then cook wings in batches to keep them crisp. Finish with green onions and a splash of rice vinegar for brightness. Begin by trimming wingtips and separating drumettes and flats for even cooking. Marinate wings 15 to 30 minutes in soy, rice vinegar, minced garlic, and honey to build savory sweet notes. Remove wings from marinade and pat thoroughly dry so moisture won't prevent crisping. Keep excess marinade for later sauce, but reserve it off the heat to avoid contamination. This prep sets you up for a fast, flavorful stir-fry. Use a neutral oil with a high smoke point and get your wok very hot before adding wings. Add wings without overcrowding, working in batches so each piece makes contact with the surface. Resist flipping too soon. Let each side develop a deep brown crust before turning. Once cooked through, toss wings with reserved sauce and let them glaze for about 1 minute so the coating becomes sticky and flavorful.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.